Good morning. I am Mrs. Rabab Ahmed, your math teacher. Today we are going to cover lesson 9 in unit 1, Algebra Prep 2. Our lesson today is operation on the cube root. Let's move to slide number 2. At the beginning, let's talk about the cube roots. The cube roots, the index of the cube root is always 3. The cube root, for example, the cube root of 64 is written as the cubic root 64 as we see. Also, cube root goes in the other direction. 3 cubed is 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. Let's move to slide number 3. We have here some remarks. Number 1, the cubic root A times the cubic root B equals the cubic root of AB. Also, the cubic root AB can be written as cubic root A times cubic root B. Number 2, cubic root A over B equals cubic root A over cubic root B. Number 3, cubic root negative A equals negative cubic root A. Number 4, A cubic root B, we can get A from outside to inside the cubic root by taking A to the power 3. So, A cubic root B equals cubic root A to the power 3B. Let's move to slide number 4. To simplify the cube root, you should determine if the number is perfect cubes or not. If the number is perfect cube, that allowed to use the calculator to find the value of the number. For example, 1, 8, 27. Then you will ask me, what is the perfect cubes number? The perfect cubes number is the number which can be factorized into number multiplied by itself twice. The total numbers, it will be 3 numbers. As we see in the example, 1 to the power 3 equals 1. 1 is a perfect cube number. 8 is a perfect cube number, that because 8 equals 2 by 2 by 2. 27 is a perfect cubes number, that because 27 equals 3 by 3 by 3. 729 is a perfect cube number, that because 729 equals 9 by 9 by 9. Now let's move to slide number 5. The cube root, to find the cube root of a number, find the number that when we multiply it by itself 2 times, a total of 3 numbers is equal to the number. For example, 27, the cubic root of 27 is 3. The cubic root of 216 is 6. The cubic root of 64 over 125 is 4 over 5. Let's move to slide number 6. We have here an example. Find the cube root of each of the following. Cubic root 8, can we use calculator here? That because 8 is the perfect cubes number. So the cubic root of 8 equals 2. Cubic root 1 equals 1. Cubic root 64 equals 4. Cubic root 125 equals 5. Cubic root 27 equals 3. Let's move to slide number 7. Now, what are we going to do if the number is not perfect cube, like the following? We have here an example, contains 2 numbers. One of them is perfect cube and the other not perfect cubes number. The first one, 8, is a perfect cubes number, so the cubic root of 8 equals 2. But about 16, the cubic root 16, not a perfect cube number, so the cubic root of 16, not a whole number like 2, 3, 4, la. Okay, let's move to slide number 8. Find the results of each of the following in its simplest form. Number 1, have cubic root 10 times 6 cubic root 100. We will multiply half with 6, it will be 3. cubic root 10 multiply cubic root 100, it will be cubic root 1000. So 3 times 10 equals 30. The next one, cubic root 2 over 5 multiply cubic root 4 over 25. We will multiply numerators together and the denominator together. 2 by 4 equals 8. 5 by 25 equal 125. The cubic root of 8 over 125 equals 2 over 5. Exercise number 3. The cubic root of 3 over 4 divided the cubic root of 2 over 9. It will be cubic root 3 over 4 divided 2 over 9. It will be 27 over 8. The cubic root of 27 is 3. The cubic root of 8 is 2. Then move to exercise number 4. Cubic root 125 minus cubic root 24. Cubic root 125 equals 5. And the cubic root of 224 equal negative 2 cubic root 3. And we will explain later how to get the cubic root of 24 in the following slide. Let's move to slide number 9. Simplify. Cubic root 54. At the beginning, you will ask yourself, is 54 is a perfect cubes or no? 54 not a perfect cubes. So we will use the following way to find the value of the cubic root 54. It's not allowed to use calculator in this lesson. We will factorize 54 to its prime factors as the following. 54 divided, choose the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. 54 start with 2 equal 27, divided 3 equal 9, divided 3, 3, divided 3 equal 1. So the factorization of 54, it will be 2 by 3 by 3 by 3. From the 3 repeated number 3, we will take 1 only. So it will be 3 and the cubic root of 2. Look, example number 2. Cubic root negative 27 over 64. We will distribute the cubic root on the two numbers, negative 27 and 64. The result will be negative 3 over 4, that because 27 is a perfect cube number and 64 also is a perfect cube number. Let's move to slide number 10. Simplify the following exercise. Cubic root 81 plus cubic root negative 24 minus 3 cubic root 1 over 9. Each term need a different steps. Cubic root 81, we will factorize 81 as we said before by using prime number. 81 divided 3 equals 27, divided 3 equals 9, divided 3 equals 3, divided 3 equals 1. From each repeated 3, we will take 1. We have 3, 3, 3, we'll take only 1. It will be outside the cubic root. It will be 3. And keep 3 inside the cubic root to be cubic root 3. What about negative 24? We will do the same. 24 over 2 equal 12. Divided 2, 6. Divided 2, 3. Divided 3, 1. So it will be, we have 2 repeated 3 times. We will take only 1. It will be outside the cubic root and keep 3 inside the cubic root. What about the cubic root 1 over 9? 1 over 9 is a fraction. We will try to change cubic root 9 in the denominator into perfect cubes, that by multiplying the perfect cube is a 9, 2, 3 and 3 to get 27. It will be 3 over 27. We can get cubic root 27 outside the cubic root, it will be third, and keep cubic root 3 as the same. So the final answer, it will be cubic root 3 minus cubic root 3 equal 0. Let's move to the second exercise. Cubic root 54 plus 8 cubic root negative quarter plus 5 cubic root 16. The first term, we will factorize 54 as we said before by using the prime factors. 54 divided 2 equal 27, divided 3 equal 9, divided 3 equals 3, divided 3 equals 1. From each repeated 3, we will take 1. So we will take 3 outside the cubic root and keep 2 inside the cubic root. Then we have 8 cubic root negative quarter. We will get negative outside the cubic root. Any negative inside the cubic root, we will get the negative outside. What about quarter? We want to cancel number 4 from the denominator by changing number 4 into perfect cubes number, that by multiplying 4 2 up and down to get 8. We can get 8 from the cubic root by half and keep 2 inside the cubic root. What about 16? We will factorize 16 by using the prime number. 16 divided 2 8, divided 2 4, divided 2 2, divided 2 1. From each repeated 2 we will take 1. So it will be 2 cubic root 2. But outside we have 5. So 2 by 5 equals 10. Then we will simplify the expression into 9 cubic root 2. That's all, and thank you for your time.